super clean. Beautiful color. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report, so we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find, and really just assessing the overall condition of the vehicle. Now, you do have PPF here on 1/3 of the fender, 1/3 of the hood, and the front grille surround here, so all of that paint is fully protected. Looking at the wheels, beautiful bronze finish. They look amazing. Super clean. Get the 35s, they look good. Date code 2024. We have a ton of tread left. This is a relatively new setup here. Suspension looks amazing. That flare looks good. That looks nice. Got the antenna here with the carbon. Got the tinted front windshield and the tint on the sides. Looks really nice. The edge of that's clean. That's clean. The side steps look awesome. A couple little rock chips on the hinge there. That one looks good though. You also have film here protecting that high impact area. You got one chip there. The rest of all that looks good. Tread looks amazing. Shocks look good. I don't see any curb rash on that wheel. Even the barrels look amazing. Looks really good on this side. Like I said, all this has PPF on it. Looks like a little bubble in the film. Couple light scratches there. Got a gash on the plastic. Couple little impacts on that plastic. Otherwise, that front end's looking really good. Here on that wheel, zero curb rash. That looks good. It's nice and clean. All of that looks good. Hinges are clean on the edge. Same with that one, and same with that one. You got the film here protecting that. The rest of that looks nice. That wheel looks perfect. Super clean. Brand new tire there, and the rim itself is perfect. It's a very clean Jeep. Okay, checking out the interior. It's a non-smoker and it still smells brand new in here. Everything is absolutely gorgeous. Has that nice matte finish to it. That trim looks good. Bolster's perfect. Seat looks really good. All of that's nice. Buttons are clean. Upper side of the dash looks good. And there's really not much to pick apart in here. One of the cleaner Jeeps I've seen. Everything looks brand new in here. A little scuff there, otherwise that looks amazing. Got the Alpine sub. All of that's super clean. See, they do a cool little thing and then go solid. That's super cool. All right, looking at that door panel, absolutely perfect. This trim looks good. Got the all-weather mats. That bolster looks awesome. I don't see any flaws on the seat there. That side of the console's good. That's nice and clean. All of this has a really nice matte finish to it. And looking at that door panel, looks good. Seats look perfect. I don't see any flaws there. I'm just scanning through the engine bay. All looks amazing, nice and clean. Alignment's perfectly straight. The steering wheel itself doesn't shake or shimmy.